Good morning and welcome to the BEA Customer Support Line. My name is Susan. How can I help you?
Susan, I need you to send $50,000 to an account or I'm a dead man.
Right. I'm just going to need to check if we're allowed to authorise transfers of that size over the phone. Please hold.
Wait, Susan, no, don't.
Thank you for holding. Are you still there?
I'm in a lot of trouble here, Susan. I need that 50,000 or bad things are going to start happening.
Right. Well, before I can authorise a transfer, can I get you to spell out the key for your account, please?
H for help.
Yep.
I for I'm being held hostage.
Yep.
F for $50,000 ransom.
Yep.
T for this is not a joke, Susan. The account number is 5318008. Please send the money or I'm gonna die.
There should be one more letter.
H for how are you this dense?
Thanks. I'll just run that through the system now. Doesn't seem to have worked.
This is a life or death scenario.
I'll try and log in your account by grabbing your details. So, what's your name?
It's Howard.
Howard who?
Howard Miller, Miller.
Howard Miller. You have the same first and last name as my husband. How about that?
Susan, this is your husband.
Sure it is. Look, I'll just run through the security questions now.
You fucking arsehole, no, stop it.
Sir, I don't appreciate your tone. I am trying to assist you.
No,
And-
don't. Oh, please don't.
Are you sure?
No, you fucking arsehole, don't.
Okay, I do not appreciate that sort of vulgarity. I'm going to pop you on hold.
No!
Thank you for holding. Okay, if there's nothing else I can do to assist you, I'll be hanging up now. Thank you for calling the BEA. Have a great day.
Hey Susan, you left this file in the printer.
Oh, the copy of my husband's life insurance.
Yeah, it didn't scan or send.